Hi everyone, Carol here at Oak House Journals, and I have another subscriber giveaway, and this time it's these two impressions kits. Now these are counted cross stitch, so petit point. They are seriously cute when they come out. This one is holly and mistletoe design. And this one is blackberry, and the colours when these are made up are absolutely gorgeous. They're quite cute, these kits. They're not very big. They come out as 11 centimetres if I remember right. Yeah, 11 centimetres by 11, so they're square. They're made by Derwent Water Designs, which is a Yorkshire-based company here in the UK, and they do some lovely, lovely kits. So just very quickly to show, I'm not going to show both of them because they're both exactly the same. Let me open this up quickly for you. A good size chart, so easy to see and to follow. On the right hand side, here's your list of DMC threads that you will need to get. Here where you blend your colours together, you use a strand of each or two strands of each colour. That's your instructions for that. This is your instructions for doing petit point, which as I say is just half cross stitch, and also you do a little bit of long stitch, which is self-explanatory really. And then here's your instructions for how to read the kit and what to do where. So as you can see, in really, really good condition. I always used to look after my kits, mostly because I used to enlarge my charts and not use the original ones, and that's why I used to like keeping them quite nice. So I'm happy to pass these on. So there are two prizes, one each, and to enter the draw, if you fancy winning one of these, same as previously, please be a subscriber to my channel. And the second thing is, all you have to do is leave me a very quick comment to this video, and then the draw will be on the 3rd of April, and I will choose two winners from those of you that leave me a comment to this video. So good luck everybody, and oh, I know the winners will love doing these because they really were lovely kits to do. So have a nice weekend everybody, take care, and be back soon. Bye bye.